All right, so we're in here today, and I actually got on the treadmill. Nobody's in here with me. But you know what? The first time I tried this treadmill, it was hard because you got to find the right speed, right? And so the other thing is, they got these handles. And so you got to kind of keep pace and find your right speed to where you don't feel like you're tripping all over the place. So for me, 1.6, 1.7 seems to be about the right pace, and also foot spacing. Trying to get these foot spaces right. Because if not, whoop, right off the back you go. All right, so we just finished the treadmill. We were on there for 30 minutes. I've got my pace. I tried to match my pace of like 1.8, 1.9 miles on the treadmill that when I'm out there walking, the parking lots and the streets in between Uber rides. So we got there, and for the most part today, I didn't have to rely on the handles or anything. I was able to maintain myself. But you know what? While I was sitting here, I was thinking, you guys know I like AI. I like Gemini and I like Grok. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a picture of every machine in here, and we're going to go into the office. And you, me and Gemini are going to develop a workout routine. We're going to see how good the AI actually is. All right, so we're back in the office now, and I have my pictures from the gym itself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Gemini to construct a gem, GEM, which is just a set of instructions that I wanted to create for me a nutrition plan. I wanted to create for me a workout routine, and keep in mind my age, my condition, all of that happy horse stuff. And then we're going to tie this all in to something that I'll be able to track on my phone in Google Health. And because my Galaxy 3 watch is on the fritz, it's like 5 years old and it sucks. And right now I can't afford to go out and get a new watch, but I intend on getting the Google watch to help keep me on track even more. But my buddy Pascal, he absolutely loves it. So let's go ahead and set up this gem now. Okay, Google, I need to set up a brand new gem for my nutritional and workout routine. I am going to give you a set of photos of the equipment that is available to me. And I'm also going to give you 2 photos of my health stats as of right now. Is this something that we can do?
Yes, absolutely. Go ahead and share the photos of your equipment and health stats, and we can get your personalized routine and gym setup dialed in.
So here are the photos. Keep in mind, I am 57 years old. I did have a minor heart attack 3 years ago. As you can tell by the body stats from my Renfo scale, I'm a bit out of shape and overweight. Okay, so it's giving me what I need here to get started based on what I'm asking it to do. So I just read everything, and now I'm going to take you through the cliff notes of it. First of all, it's saying, hey, good job getting started, you lazy ass. I agree, Google. I have been lazy. The next thing is make sure you go see a doctor and get the clearance and yada, 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 cardiologist, whatever. Listen, my cardiologist, who did save my life, and I am thankful for that. He did put the stent in me. I am thankful for that. He also tried to put me on Ozempic 3 years ago to lose the weight. We see how that works out. I'm telling you, doctors anyway. And I'm not saying AI is a better doctor, because I'm going to take the same information, I'm going to run it through Grok, and I want to see how different or how similar Grok and Gemini come out together with this. But looking at my Renfo scale stats, you're already moving in the right direction. We know this because I went from 227 to 224. So it's telling me that my basal metabolic rate, my BMR, is about 1,800 calories a day. That's what I'm burning now to stay alive. But as we start to build up and exercise more, right, we're going to start to need more calories as we go. So right now, my daily calorie target is between 1,800 and 1,900 calories. Keeps me in a safe, steady deficit just above my BMR. Wants me to focus on protein, which that's what we were doing with the carnivore, right? And but heart healthy choices, focus on whole food carbs. This is where we're going to have problems, y'all. Oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, avocado, olive oil. and keeping processed sodium intake low. Well, I don't know anything about that. So, listen, they're going to walk me through it. Anyway, based on the pictures that I gave Gemini is telling me you've got, and it knows I got a decent machine setup for an apartment or community gym. I don't know how it knows. Anyway, it wants me to do 3 days, right? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Day 1, leg press, seated mid-row, flat chest press, cable tricep push downs, and low impact cardio. On Wednesdays, leg extensions, seated leg curls, lat pull down, incliner shoulder press, cable bicep curls, treadmill walk. And then on Friday, flip it back to Monday. So it's going to be a 2-day flip every 3 days. Let me ask you a question here. Can I keep my cardio in 7 days a week, which would include like walks, treadmill walks, or bicycle rides? Yes, you absolutely can keep in your cardio 7 days a week, Vinny. In fact, doing daily low impact movement, like walking outside, walking on the treadmill, or riding a stationary bike, is one of the absolute best things you can do to keep your heart health, blood pressure, and active recovery. That's the other issue that I have that they can't get down is my blood pressure. So, with all this being said, I'm going to have it set me up with a chart, and we'll go from there. Once I get the chart set, I'll bring it back here and let you guys see it. I'm using AI, guys. It can't be wrong, can it? Okay, so setting up the gem over here, normally I got to use 2 different windows or I'm going to get all jacked up. So let's go over here. Let's go to gems, create new gem. And then here is where you're going to give it a name, a description, and all the instructions. So right now, this is plain text. We're going to go here. We're going to title this Vinny's Fitness Goals. That'll be the title of my gem. And then we're going to go here. We're going to copy this all in. We're going to put it in the instructions. And we're going to see what it does at this particular point. Okay, let's go. I got to save it. Bam. All right, we're saving the gem. Gem Fitness Goals has been created. Blah, 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 blah. Start chat. And then you go over here, and that's it. The gem is created. So now when you want to do something new, you come into Gemini. This is what I'm going to do. Come into Gemini, hit my gems, right? These are my gems, Vinny's Fitness Goals. We just created my command center goals. Well, that's what I do with all my computer stuff. That is a different YouTube channel. My buy or bust, Vinny Kuzz YouTube channel, and the Tesla Right Here channel. I use gems to keep the conversation focused on a particular set of instructions or goals. That's what a gem is. Grok calls it projects. It works. So since it recognizes, I told it, I've got a Galaxy Watch 3 and not one of the current Fitbits or watches like that. It says I really won't need it as much because we'll be able to link in my Renfro scale will link directly into Google Fit. It's an app. So I downloaded Google Fit. I downloaded Google Health. We're going to link all this stuff up together. And then I'm going to have it create me a spreadsheet so that I can see exactly how many reps on which machine and exactly how to do these exercises. And so, yeah, I think we're in good shape. And then we got to get into the nutritional end of it. So I got everything set up in the app with the Google Health, Google Fit, and the Renfro app. Now, everything is going to kind of flow together. And I use Gemini to walk me through and connect all the apps. So whenever I step on my scale now, it'll go right into Google Health and Google Fit to help my tracking and all of that crap that, you know what? We got goals, man. They're goals. Anyway, so I started off with the gym here and I said, today I started and finished with a 30-minute walk on the treadmill. I felt really good. And then it gives me this coach mode activated, yada, 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 blah, 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 blah. So now what I wanted to do is, can you create me a spreadsheet in Google Sheets that I can use when I go into the gym itself to help tell me which machine I should be using and the correct amount of reps? We will list them as day A and day B. So it's already created it in Google Docs and not Google Sheets. So that's okay. It's created it. So let's open that up. And this is the beautiful thing about being in Google is look at that. This is the beautiful thing about Google in the sense of You don't have to give all your information out there. Although, listen, bro, if you got a phone, it's listening anyway. But then you can just use the ecosystem to your advantage. Apple does it. Google does it. The difference is I'm not paying Google an extra 12% to get into their damn app store. Just saying. So I have gone through everything I think I need to go through at this particular moment. And right now we have our gym tracker in. So it's telling us what part of the body we're working, what machine we're using, the reps and sets, and then giving the little notes and settings, safety things in there. But I'll go through YouTube and off each machine and figure out how to use each one of them. If you guys want a video on that with what I got in the gym, listen, I'll be happy to do that too. The other thing I got in there is we went through nutrition and we were able to come up with and agree on foods that I'll eat. Because listen, let's be honest. There's just some stuff out there, I'm not eating spinach. My name ain't Popeye. And you guys, anyway. And I don't like cauliflower, shit like that. So anyway, we went through and we came up with what should be a very good diet. Now I'm going to run this diet through or up these foods and spices and everything through Grok to see if it approves as well. But listen, it sounds good. And then the last one was my actual meal plan. I always thought, man, when people meal prepped, it was a little nuts. But I got a friend of mine, he used to work for me years ago, a young man named Jesse. And Jesse transformed, man. He got into the whole, the gym thing and cross training and all that. I mean, he ain't little, he's brick house. So here we are. We've got our 7-day plan right here. What we're eating, how we're eating it, yada, yada, yada. So at the end of the day, I think Gemini worked. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If this is something that you guys are interested in. I mean, listen, just sit down with the AI, talk with the AI, be truthful with the AI, and let the AI help you. Because if you go to a personal trainer or if you go to a nutritionist, and I'm not saying their jobs aren't valuable, I'm just saying sometimes they'll try to give you Ozempic to lose the weight instead of giving you this. All right, peace out. See ya.